risk of storms that we've been telling you about on Monday. Still the way we see this, it's more of a typical late fall, early winter kind of setup here. We'll likely have a line, kind of a broken line of storms moving west to east across the area Monday evening. Some of those storms in that line could produce some gusty winds. There will be a risk for isolated tornadoes. Now this, as of right now, it's not a high risk or moderate risk kind of setup, but it is something where we want you to make sure you have multiple ways to get those alerts Monday night after about 4 o'clock. That's the way this all times out. Let me walk you through this. Here's Monday evening, and we'll take it hour by hour. Here's that line you see right there at lunchtime on Monday. Still, we're in okay shape through midday. And look at the temperatures here. Check out Greensboro, Tuscaloosa. Gusty winds coming at us from the south. Temperatures rising into the upper 60s. That sticky, muggy feeling in the air. You know, it just doesn't necessarily feel like it should be December outside. That's the kind of weather that we're talking about. Then we get to Monday around 3 o'clock. Here's that line moving into West Alabama, and if we time this out, now keep in mind this is model data, this will likely change a little bit, but this gives us some guidance, a good idea of the time frame here, and you can see 5 to 6 o'clock during the evening. There's that line, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Northport, Gadsden, and perhaps during this period there could be some strong wind gusts in here, and then we'll work that on through 7 and 8 o'clock, and you can see Anniston for us, Gadsden, Center, Alabaster here in Shelby County, and also back into Perry County, and then it continues on to the east. And this data actually moves it on out of here fairly quickly, but we're kind of keeping that window open 4 p.m. Wednesday until around 4 a.m. Tuesday morning. So yeah, overnight there could be some advisories late at night, so just keep an eye out or an ear to that weather radio and weather app there just in case you get an alert there during the early morning hours. And if we do see a severe storm, we can't necessarily rule out the risk for an isolated tornado, but I tried to kind of put a scale on this for you, on a scale of less likely to most likely. This is kind of what we're looking at here. This is, right now doesn't look like a high risk kind of day, but it is an event that does catch our attention, and we need to keep a close watch on it there for the possibility of a few strong to severe storms there Monday night. Now in the meantime, you still need that jacket tomorrow morning. It's chilly out there tonight. The temperature, I just want to show you in the morning when you head out the door, Coleman 39 for us, Talladega 42, here around Tuscaloosa a 43 degree temperature as we head out the door early in the day. So still a little chilly out there, but as promised, during the day tomorrow it is going to feel a little bit milder during the afternoon. You can see 12 o'clock tomorrow, we're up to 57, 64. We'll take that around 3 o'clock, and there may be a little sun peeking through, but we're calling it a partly to mostly cloudy Sunday across the area. Now the winds do pick up. I know we've talked about this before, but just make sure you have those holiday decorations nice and secure there with that south wind picking up. 71 by Monday afternoon. And check it out, Tuesday and a Wednesday, look at the high temperatures. We go from 71 on Monday to a high temperature, struggling to reach 49 degrees on Tuesday, and same for Wednesday. At least on Wednesday we get some more sunshine in the mix there during the afternoon. And then looking at Friday and Saturday, it looks like we're going to have a 30% chance of showers, so late in the week some more changes with a chance of showers. We'll just have to get that rain out of here before Santa comes to town, and of course we'll have more on that and talk more about this rain chance and storm chance on Monday with your weather coming up. Stay with us. You're watching Fox 6 WBRC.